Today we're going to open up a 35 watt shock box, and this comes from Valley Farm Supply. It comes along with a Cyclops electric fence energizer, and what we're going to do is open it up and see what you get when you order the solar box. And I'm going to cut this open here. So it comes pretty nicely packed, as you can see, and let's see what we can get out of this. Just to see what you get when you order this. Just be careful opening up stuff. Let's see if we can open this sucker up. Here we go. Here we go. So this is a 35 watt unit. You can see it's going to come packed pretty nicely. I got some cushioning in there because this is a solar panel, and we don't want it to crack when we ship it to you. So we got a couple layers of insulation here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. A couple layers around, and let's see what else we got here. This is the back of it, obviously. So I'm going to put the camera down, and for a second we're going to stop this. See what you get. As you can see, this box is pretty big. This is what you're going to get. So here we are again. This is the actual case inside the package. It's the shock box itself. And you can see everything's going to be enclosed. The solar panel comes with it, and it's right there. And that also acts as the lid.